Is it not supposed to do that?
Misha, stop.
Look at it.
That's enough. Good job. Yep.
That's crazy.
Okay, stop.
My wife and I just got this tiny home. Now it's time to fix it.
Woo!
All right, so to kick things off, we're going to start on our garage. And today's goal is to basically just strip it all the way down.
Get on the roof.
We're going to get on the roof, take all the shingles off.
Yep.
We're going to inspect the sheathing.
May take it off. Hopefully not, right?
Hopefully not, because that would just escalate things.
And the siding, right?
And then we're going to take the siding off. Give me a good foot.
My good foot. This is my good.
There you go. This was just a little...
Oh, you want to boost?
Moving this way, you can start stripping it under. You see the nails?
Yeah.
These guys got to get under the nails.
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh.
But it's just kind of going for them. Being it, look. You have to use momentum to get in there, so momentum.
Jesus Christ.
Yes. That
Yo.
trippy.
No, like I'm going like this, and if I slip, then I'm falling.
Just lay down flat like a star, and you'll stop.
You know what? As I'm falling, I'll think.
Start.
Star.
Is it not supposed to do that?
Misha, stop.
Look at it.
That's enough. Good job. Yep.
That's crazy.
Okay, stop.
This garage might come down quicker
Stop
than we thought.
Good job.
The garage
Like
be
crouching,
shaking.
like it's gonna do something.
That's
oh
insane.
my gosh.
So with that information in mind, the only thing we wanted to do is finish as quickly as we could so we could get off the roof and figure out what to do next, which really didn't take too much longer. The whole goal was to expose the sheathing so that it's easier for us to then take the shingles and pop them off. We even had Alex jump in and help us out to get all the stuff off of the ground. That's the annoying part here. That's something that we were saying that next time we should do better. Put some tarps down. Get all that stuff to fall on the tarps, clean it up, and then we don't have to worry about the nails or anything like that. So that's something that we're going to learn from and do better on the next one. We loaded everything into our truck buckets as well versus the wheelbarrow because it's so much faster. Once we're done loading up, we brought our Southland to the dump and got rid of it. And just like that, the roof is stripped.
A quick 30.
That was about 2 hours, I would say, from start to finish, which is not bad. I mean, visually inspecting this, it looks legit. I don't think we're going to strip any of this down. I might just get a nail gun and just come through where the rafters here are and just kind of re-nail some of them just to kind of stiffen them up a little bit. But it looks good. I see no rot, no damage or anything like that. So next, we're going to start working on our fascias right here and removing those. Good job, Kat.
Thanks.
All right, let's keep going. Don't lose momentum. You have to use momentum to get in there, so momentum. We don't know what's happening, but the black flies are insane. So I think we did pretty good today.
Yeah.
Stripped everything. We know exactly now how to rebuild it. Like I said before, I think what I'm going to focus on is just rebuilding the roof first to make sure that's nice and solid. And then we're going to start working on the walls themselves. Plus it's supposed to rain in 2 days. So we're going to try to just patch it up.
Yeah.
So I think day 1 demo, day 2 just rebuild it. So
This is so
this is so bad.
Great. Good. Jesus.